Buster Posey down in Los Angeles where he was filming a commercial.
Yeah, or two or three. Buster, I'll tell you what, he wouldn't be the first big-time athlete to go into acting, but he might be the least likely guy that you suspect of having any interest in appearing in front of the cameras. Not to say he wants to go into movies per se, but he has agreed to be the Northern California spokesperson for Toyota again, and his commercials, quite a hit last year. So when we had the chance to go behind the scenes and watch him film this year's versions, couldn't resist an opportunity to glimpse perhaps a more hammy side to the usually all business Buster.
Marcus.
When you hear the word action connected to Buster Posey's name, you're thinking of him
Posey, deep left field.
hitting the ball.
Way back and a grand slam for Buster Posey.
Or making some kind of great defensive play behind the plate.
Throw to third in time.
Ready and action.
But on this day, we wanted to sneak behind the scenes.
Still rolling.
And see him out of his natural habitat.
You said more lettuce. Ready and roll, cameras. Rolling, rolling.
Playing the role of TV spokesperson for Toyota Northern California, yes, but hamming it up in front of a camera seems like quite a stretch for the always calm, cool, unofficial captain of the Giants, but maybe not quite as big a departure as you'd guess.
I think it's just something with kind of the way I grew up, two brothers and a sister and a goofy dad. Just kind of the way, you know, I cut loose a lot more probably than people think. So this is a way that kind of comes through, I think.
According to Toyota campaign director Rob Baggett, some of the same attributes that make him successful behind the plate lend themselves to a certain command in front of the camera.
Yeah, he's got, a serious side, but he's got a fun side as well. And, yeah, he's got natural timing.
He can really read the situation. He knows he's not, a comedian, but he can play the straight person very well. And, that's what we're looking for. So it really is easy to work with.
In filming a commercial, there's always a chance to get it right. But in baseball, there are no do-overs.
Here's the 0-1.
Like the 9th inning of Game 7 of the World Series.
And it gets passed to the wall.
Giant fans feeling excruciating tension. I just had to know, how nervous was Buster?
What I remember about that play is, running out thinking that potentially could be the third out. And then when I saw it go to the wall, I'm thinking, okay, double, triple at most. And then I see him going to third, and then Perez kind of kicked the ball a little bit more, so I'm thinking, I better get back to home plate. Then when he finally stopped on third, it was relief. But walking out to Bumgarner said, all right, I can get this guy out. So I was like, okay, that kind of calmed me down, just him saying that.
The 2-2. Popped up. Sandoval in foul territory. Giants win.
Of course, we know how the script played out from there. Giants win another World Series, and Buster Posey takes another huge step toward becoming the squeaky clean face of Major League Baseball. And he's a natural for that role.
I've got two little ones, so, I definitely think it's important for kids to have somebody to look to that's a positive influence.
And cut. Good. Yeah, good.
Little different look at Buster Posey, but, he's not a real outgoing guy, but you can certainly see the way he commands, his presence and why all the guys respect him so much. And it's no coincidence he's been a constant, on those teams that have won 3 World Series.
That's a really interesting piece.
And I like it when he said, that's me cutting loose. It's like,
If that's him cutting